Problem: a wire of diameter 3 mm and length 4 meter extends by 2.5 mm when a force of 10 Newton is applied. Find the Young's modulus of the material of the wire. Analysis: before taking the steps to solve the problem, let us analyze it. This problem is related to the topic of elasticity. The problem deals with the extension of wire and the force applied to it. The Hooke's law relates the stress and strain, which subsequently involves force and extension, and therefore we will use Hooke's law to solve this problem. The Hooke's law states that Y is equal to stress upon strain, and that is equal to force divided by area and the whole divided by extension in the wire divided by length of the wire. The four values given in the problem are diameter of wire D equal to 3 mm, and therefore radius is equal to 1.5 mm, that is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The length of the wire is 4 meter. The extension of the wire, namely small l, equal to 2.5 millimeter, and that is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The force applied F is equal to 10 Newton. The equation of Young's modulus involves 5 variables, namely Y, F, A, small l and capital L. Hence, substituting the given values into the equation, we get the required answer. Solution. Now, let us take the necessary steps to solve the problem. First, we write the equation for Young's modulus. Y equal to stress upon strain equal to force divided by area and the whole divided by small l upon capital L. We rewrite this equation and get Y equal to force multiplied by length of the wire divided by extension in the wire L into area, and therefore Y is equal to F into L divided by L into pi r square. Substituting the values of F, L, small l and r, we get Y equal to 10 into 4 the whole divided by 3.14 into 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 the square into 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Solving this, we get the Young's modulus of the wire as Y equal to 2.26 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square. Thus, we have solved the problem and obtained the required value of Young's modulus.